Saving your wealth in fiat money makes you poor. This is your last chance to get out of that system and make yourself wealthy. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is Da Vinci Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5. Staying alive here in Dubai. Hope you're doing well. Hope all is well with you. I hope you enjoyed the weekend. Hope you enjoyed my live streams on the weekend. If you missed that, make sure you hit the subscribe, hit the like button, right? And also the bell button and all, right? To be notified when we do these live streams and so forth, right? Because you don't want to miss out. And yeah, it's going to be an interesting show today. I'm going to be talking about Bitcoin and why you need to have some Bitcoin, and also going over the news and all that good stuff, right? So make sure you watch all the way to the end, because we're also going to do some trading and doing some TA. And if you're interested in trading, you make sure you head over to coinw.davincij15.com or bybit.davincij15.com. Links in the description below. And if you sign up with my link, you could actually join this exclusive group where they will show you how to trade, on CoinW, and provide you with all kinds of cool information. And if you want to watch this live, make sure you head over to davincij15.com. Link is in the description below. Okay. Org taking a little bit of a beating in the last few hours, right? Well, you know, it is what it is. Nothing goes up in a straight line, right? But we're going to get this thing all the way up to $1 billion market cap. So you get a chance to buy this below 1 cent and see a 100x. So start buying right now before it's too late, right? You're getting these opportunities so many times. Same with Waffles Coin and also PayPay. Now, many people have hated me on PayPay, right? Gotten a lot of comments like this, right? And I want you to compare those comments with the comments 13 years ago. Beware, Bitcoin is going down. $10 US and even tanking more. Do not lose your money to equipment or Bitcoins, as no one's buying them now. Right. This guy's getting a little bit of beaten up from that, right? Bitcoins are laughable because they don't have intrinsic value. Do new magic BS money, right? Yes, take a look. All kinds, right? Love all the different kinds of hate that came my way, right? So yeah, take a look. Have we seen a pattern here? Have you seen a pattern? Wonder if anybody done notices a pattern. I don't know. Like to do an honorable shout out to the people who pumped early risers. Jesus, woke up this morning to what? 2,000% rise. Jesus Christ. All right, let's go on to the news for today. Right, we're going to be talking about a few of these things in the news, right? And you can find this link in the description. Let's start here. But Bitcoin metrics lineup. Bull signals with a 60K BTC price levels to beat. Okay. 60.6, well, whatever. No, we're gonna really what's $600 between friends? Bitcoin gives hints that the upward BTC price phase is about to begin, as measured by two popular trading tools. Okay, whether it doesn't matter if you are buying for Bitcoin for the long term, it doesn't matter, right? People tell me, well, can you imagine Bitcoin's at 120K next year or 256K, right, next year? And I'm like, it won't matter to me. Why? Because I'm buying it not for it to be 250K, $1 million. None of those. What am I buying it for? What am I saving it for? When it's money. And you seem to not see how this is becoming money. This will become money because you have an asset that you could transact globally with. And if you don't trust your other party, you can do so, right? And transact even free between the other party and ensure that your wealth is safe. using the Lightning Network. So large companies and large businesses can do that in the future. And as soon as they understand this concept, it's game over. Bitcoin will be at prices, at valuations that will make the dollar irrelevant. In fact, how much is worth, 1 ounce of gold in right marks? It's not limited. There is no number because it's gone. And that's what's going to happen to the US dollar. And I don't care. You say, well, it's never going to happen. Okay. But you'll see. You'll see, right? Because you're just too stubborn to understand, right? You're going to learn the hard way. And you're going to be working for these Bitcoins in the future instead of like buying them with the fiat money that's going to disappear. Your choice is yours. It doesn't matter about these breakout signals and stuff like that. But if you want to trade it, that's different sex. And make some money trading it, that's different. But the future is clear. Satoshi Nakamoto, historic Bitcoin milestone turns 16 details. Okay, let's see here. 16 years ago today, Pseudonymous Bitcoin creator Satoshi Nakamoto took a pivotal step in the development of what became the world's first decentralized cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Right now, 16 years ago today, Satoshi Nakamoto registered the first Bitcoin website. Ever since Bitcoins.org has been hosted, has free code, a beacon of financial freedom for millions around the world. Why is this a beacon for financial freedom? Why? Because governments, banks, and corporations today can print money and make you work for it. This effectively makes you a slave. If you don't seem to understand that, if you don't seem to comprehend that, right? I'm hoping that somebody else who's willing to make some changes does, right? Because they realize that, wait a second, I don't want to be a slave anymore. And if you don't want to be a slave anymore, then you will go out and do something about that, right? You'll eventually, and then, slowly move yourself out of the matrix and get out of the slave mindset. That's what this comment is, this video is for. It's not for everyone, because not everyone's going to do that. Okay, the Bitcoin.org domain later became the central hub for Satoshi Nakamoto's groundbreaking white paper, Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, which was released on October 2008. Okay. Americans should learn from the optimism of HODL. Yes, everybody should. Everybody should, actually. Not just Americans, but everyone around the world. Right? HODLing, an acronym that means hold on for dear life. It is built on the long-term optimism that has been the driving force behind technology advancements. We should make HODLing the default American position of all technology. Well, yeah. HODL some org, HODL some waffles, HODL some pay per day. Okay, moving on. Solana's price rebound. Founder dispels misconceptions on the network capacity. So the founder, right, Anatoly said, the co-founder of Solana recently addressed the floating misconception about Solana's network capacity and transactions. In a tweet, Anatoly clarified that Solana's blocks are not full, which some attributed to past network congestion. I don't know what's going on with Solana. I don't know how it exactly works. I just know that it seems to be more centralized than it is decentralized, because you can't have a failing decentralized network. It just doesn't work. It's okay, right? People are using it. And so now people are actually trying to create a layer two Solana. And that's fine. People want to use it, that's fine. He's saying that people are just doing it to make money. And well, yeah, maybe, but they also doing it because they think that it's a good idea, and the market will decide. That's that. All right, so we're gonna head over and take a look at the TA for Bitcoin. And if you're interested in doing some trading, you can do so at coinw.davincij15.com or bybit.davincij15.com. Link is in the description below. Okay, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Honestly, Bitcoin on the weekend, I did a trade on Bitcoin, and it was going my way. And then, of course, I was thinking, yeah, I really think that I might be able to hold this line, but you know what? They always come for my stops, and yeah, they did. They came for my stop, right? So my stop was right about here, and boom, they took it out. It's unfortunate, right? This is how our current situation is with what's called Bitcoin. It is clearly managed by the powers that be and people with lots of money. Let's take a look at and compare that to Ethereum, right? We see that, oh, if you put your stops down here, right, which would have been any of these little wicks here, you still wouldn't have been stopped out. So it was like a lot more clearer on Ethereum. So let's take a look at what we're going to do from here. Of course, probably going for the wicks down here next. So looking to see if, let's take a look at the longer frame, see if that's the case. Yeah, going for the lower wicks before it actually tries to take off. Now it did have some problems breaking out from this resistance level, but I think right now, if we zoom out a little bit, yeah, this area here, this is the strength area right now. We probably going to hold this level for sure, but we might break a little bit below it and then take off from here. So that's the support level of $57,500. So I'm probably going to take an entry at this level and see what happens. Looking at Ethereum, I think Ethereum will hold the line. Probably not do anything, not go below this level, right? We might need to break these lower levels if we go down to the, yeah, and Ethereum. Oh, okay. So at the same time frame for the 16th, which is on Saturday, right? The trading, if you were to trade this, I would have traded actually from this level, would have been your stop losses right here, down here. Okay. And so I was looking at the wrong time frame. So there you go. Ethereum did not break its upward trend. And there we go. So we could say right down here is your stop losses, which is a clear indication that Ethereum's in a bigger move. We might come back and stop, might screw people out down here, but unlikely because Ethereum is not really trading like a forex stock just yet. So this probably, even this point will probably hold. This point right there, the $2,600 will most likely hold. And so you'll see this thing we're probably going to break higher to the $2,800 level. Okay, let's just see what happens as this unfolds in the next few days. All right, well, thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys all. And if you're watching this live, please leave your questions and I will answer them shortly. Cheers.